Hi everyone, we're starting homework today, so I just wanted to make a short little video explaining the expectations and procedures. I have sent this folder home with everyone today. It will have your child's name on it here. Inside there are several different pieces of paper, and they're all important, and all of this is due back every single day. So this first sheet we have is this brown sheet, and it gives you a breakdown of what's due every day and what's going to be coming home. So on Tuesday, which is today, I sent home Language Arts page 1 and Math page 128. And there's 10 minutes of reading. So if I have specific problems for them to do, sometimes I might say page 128, number 2, 3, and 4. If I specify numbers like that, that's all I'm expecting the kids to do. If they want to do the extra problems, they can. But if I only have like 3 problems here, that's all I expect them to do. Anything else is just extra. Thursdays, you'll have 2 sheets in Language Arts. You'll have a question page, and then you'll have a little book that they read. So this is very important for you to see what they should be doing that day. After they've completed their homework, you should sign, or whoever does their homework with them should sign on this line right here, verifying that you've seen their homework, that you've received this, and you know what's going on. Also in this folder is this green sheet, and this is our fluency paper. So this will come home every week as well. And it has the sight words that we're learning this week. It has the spelling pattern that we learned this week. So right here, just have them read the words. If they can just sound it out, so jam, or if they're able to, just read the word without sounding out. So man, jam, fat, gas. Down here are some short phrases, so they'll just practice reading it fluently, and then there's some sentences down here to practice as well. On the back is a story, and what you're going to do is you're going to time for 1 minute, and you're going to mark the words that they get wrong. Once that 1 minute is up, I want you to count how many words they got correct. So if they get to hat, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to write down here they got 6 words correct, and then you're going to sign. Okay? On Tuesday, you're going to do it again. Time them for 1 minute and see if they can beat 6 words. So this is just trying to build up their fluency and their speed in their reading. So if they can't finish the whole story, that's okay. We just want to try to have them get a little bit better each day. If they read this story in a minute and they finish the 36 words, try to give them a shorter time that they have to read it in. So maybe go to 50 seconds that they have to read it in. And if you do that, just make a little note so I can see that they need something a little bit more difficult. Also in here are the sheets that we need for homework. So today you were doing page 128. I didn't specify any numbers, so I expect this whole page done today. And then there's also going to be the Language Arts sheet. Now, right now, everyone's doing the same homework just because it's our first week of doing homework. I just kind of want to build the routine of it. But starting next week, it will be more individualized. So if they need something more difficult, they'll have a little bit more difficult homework. If they need something easier, they'll have an easier homework. It'll be the same information that everyone's working on, just at a different level, so that everyone is challenged in the correct way. If you ever notice that their homework is too hard for them, let me know, because I can easily adjust that. If it's too easy, again, let me know, because they would need something a little bit more challenging. This green sheet, the fluency sheet, would count as your 10 minutes of reading. So if you want to use that as your 10 minutes, that's great. If you want to use this 10 minutes as something else, like reading a book before bed or something, that's great too. So make sure this comes back every day. I told the students that if they lose their folder, then it will cost them 5 Eagle Bills to buy one from me. So if they lose it, they'll have to buy one from me, or you can provide another one. You can buy one on your own, which is fine as well. Let's see what else is there. Oh, they can also earn points for their homework on Class Dojo. So just bringing the homework folder with the homework, that's 1 point. If they have this brown page signed by their parent or whoever did homework with them, that's another point. And if they have this green page signed, that's another point. So they could potentially earn up to 3 points for their homework. So that would be great for them since they get paid Eagle Bills for their points. If you have any questions or anything on the homework, it can get kind of tricky because it's not how we've learned when we were younger. The math is just a little bit, it's done a little bit differently. So if there's any questions or confusions, let me know on Class Dojos. Just send me a message and I can help you out with it. I will also be posting a link to this Eureka Math website that has parent support. So if you ever have a question or aren't sure what to do with one of these problems, then you will be able to go on there and look it up as well. But feel free to message me at any time. I try to get back to you as soon as I can. So I think that's it. If there's any questions or concerns, please let me know. And I'll be waiting for these in the morning. So see you later.